I need to correct something I said. Again. So it must be time for another Maintenance Monday. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Get a free site audit for it at mysites.guru. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 322 here in the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites, which I also work on. So if you want to hire someone short-term, long-term, or just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, we turn our attention to the screen and we need to open up an article because this relates to save as copy. As you'll see, you've got an orange bar across the top here. I'm working on a staging copy of my site. I use Stager from PHP Web Design to do that. That way, once I'm done showing you this, I haven't affected my live site because I'm not even working on my live site. Let's open up this article. And last week I was saying that now it is being fixed so that if you go save as copy in a Joomla article, the copy that is created is automatically unpublished so you can continue to work on it. Now, the correction I need to make is coming up in just a second. First of all, shout out to Allison Meeks, who reminded me that when you're making a copy of an article, it's good to do it right away. You know, if you get working on your copy, it's all there, you might just forget and click save, and then you've got to undo things and change things. So when you're making a copy of your article, right away, just give it its new title. And that brings us to the place where I need to correct what I said last week. And thank you to Bjorn for pointing that out to me as well. That, you know, last week I said, before you save as a copy, delete the alias. But Bjorn pointed out to me that you don't need to delete the alias because when you save as copy, it gives it a new alias right away. There's your new alias. There's your status unpublished. You're ready to work on your copy, and it'll go smooth from there. Subscribe for more videos. Till the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.